This piano was my father's old piano. He bought it in 1933 at a place called Powers Piano. I still have the bill. He paid $650 for this piano. It was originally built, according to the guy at Steinway, it was originally built in 1894. It was rebodied in this body. All the works inside, the sounding board and everything were taken out and put in the new body, in this body. It's an A, it's a full grand. You see, it's quite a large piano. It's a full grand, 6+ feet. And it was rebodied in 1925. And they had, originally this piano had ivories, of course. But by the time I got it, the ivories were all out of shape. They couldn't have been repaired. And you couldn't get ivory anymore. So I put plastic. I don't mind plastic because I play plastic on my electric instruments. So it doesn't bother me. So here it is. I had it worked out that way. And this is my father's piano. It's like owning a Rolls Royce. Today it's worth quite a large amount of money.
Yeah.
Probably more than $50,000 easily.
Yeah.
I love this instrument.